Hello everyone, in this video I will illustrate a two-dimensional plot of linear regression using the first feature of diabetes dataset. So first of all, let's understand what is linear regression. Linear regression is a regression line which used to analyze relationship between two or more variables. So there are two types of variables in linear regression: dependent variable and independent variable. And here is the equation of linear regression. Here y is the dependent variable, x is the independent variable, b is the intercept, and a is the coefficient of linear regression. Coefficient of linear regression represents the rate of change of one variable, that is y, as a function of change of another variable, that is x. Now, coming to the coding part. Here I have implemented this in Python language. Now I have imported some of the modules of Python like Matplotlib, NumPy, sklearn. So you need to install all these modules first. So now I'll show you the output before going further. This is the output of this linear regression. Now, first of all, we have imported all these modules. Now, we have loaded the diabetes dataset. This is the CSV file. So now, we have used only one feature. We will be training the diabetes dataset and training and testing the diabetes dataset as well. So now we have split the dataset into two parts. First of all, we have trained the dataset, diabetes dataset, and after that we have tested the diabetes dataset. Now we have split the targets into training and testing sets again. The code is over here. Further, we have created a regression linear regression object. REGR is the variable over here. Now after that we have trained the model using here the training set was over here, like this was the training set. Now we are training the regression model using this code. Now using the prediction set, using the testing set, we have predicted the values. Now the output is basically coefficient, mean squared error, and variance score. We have plotted the graph as well. Here you can see the scatter plot. We have used the scatter plot for testing, and this is for prediction. Now we have plotted the graph, and I'll run the command code. And this is the output. This is the regression line, and this was the predictions. This was the prediction made, and this is the actual output. Thank you so much.